Hello students, today's topic of discussion is EAN. So what is EAN? EAN is nothing but effective atomic number. E stands for effective, A stands for atomic and N stands for number. Effective atomic number, EAN. So how to calculate EAN? Formula is Z minus X plus Y. What is Z? Z is nothing but atomic number of metal. X is oxidation number of metal. Y is the number of electrons given by ligands. So while solving this, first Z minus X, whatever the answer will be there, plus Y. For example, consider the complex NiCO4. Now what will be the effective atomic number EAN for this complex? Formula is Z minus X plus Y. Okay, what is Z? Z is nothing but atomic number of metal. So what is the atomic number of nickel? Atomic number of nickel is 28. Minus, what is X? X is oxidation number of metal. So what is the oxidation number of Ni? Oxidation number of Ni is 0. Why it is 0? When CO, that is carbonyl, is present as a ligand, then metal's oxidation number is always 0. Okay. Plus Y. What is Y? Number of electrons given by ligands. So how many ligands are there? 4. 4 ligands will give 8 electrons, right? So 28 plus 8. What is the answer? 36. So effective atomic number for this complex is 36. Now second example. Consider example FeCN6 4 minus. FeCN6 4 minus. Okay, what is Z? Z is nothing but the atomic number of metal. So what is atomic number of Fe? Atomic number of Fe is 26 minus X. What is X? Oxidation number of metal. What is the oxidation number of metal here? FeCN6 4 minus. For Fe say X, 1 Cn gives 1 minus, so 6 Cn will give 6 minus is equal to minus 4. So X is equal to minus 4 plus 6, X is equal to plus 2. So the oxidation number of metal is 2. And what is the oxidation number? It is the X. So X is equal to 2 plus Y. What is Y? Y is nothing but the number of electrons given by ligands. Each Cn gives 2 electrons. So 6 Cn will give 12 electrons. So 24 plus 12, your answer is 36. Effective atomic number for this complex is 36. Now next complex. Example number 3. Consider the complex CONH36 3 plus. CONH36 3 plus. EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. What is Z? You can see atomic number of What is the oxidation number of metal here? You can orally calculate it. It will be X. Here you can write CO NH3 on the complex there is 3 plus charge. So X plus NH3 is neutral ligand, so oxidation number will be 0 is equal to charge on the complex is plus 3. So X is equal to plus 3. Okay, so X is plus 3. Plus Y. What is Y? Number of electrons given by ligands. Each NH3 gives 2 electrons, so 6 NH3 will give 12 electrons. So 27 minus 3, 24 plus 12, 36. So effective atomic number of this complex is 36. Now what is this effective atomic number? Effective atomic number means if the effective atomic number is 36, it means that this complex will be stable complex. Why? Central metal atom accepts electron from ligands to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. And you know that cobalt belongs to period number 4 and the noble gas of period number 4 is with atomic number 36. So if effective atomic number is 36, the complex will be stable. Next example. Consider the complex ZnNH3 Zn NH3 2 plus. Okay. What is it? Z is atomic number of metal, X is oxidation number of metal, and Y is number of electrons given by ligands. Z is atomic number. Atomic number of Zn is 30. X is oxidation number. What is oxidation number here? Zn NH3 2 plus. So X plus NH3 is neutral ligand, so 0 0 on the complex 2 plus charge. So X is equal to plus 2. So X is equal to plus 2. Plus Y. What is Y? Number of electrons given by ligand. Each NH3 gives 2 electrons, so 4 NH3 will give 8 electrons. So it will be 28 plus 8, again it will be 36. So effective atomic number of this complex is 36. It means this complex is also a stable complex. Now, next example. Consider example PtNH3 6 plus. Example number 5. PtNH3 6 plus. What is Z? Atomic number. Atomic number of platinum is 78 minus X is the oxidation number. What is the oxidation number of Pt here? C. X plus NH3 is neutral ligand, so oxidation number will be 0 0 is equal to, sorry, on the complex there is 4 plus charge. So again I will explain. You have to find out oxidation number of Pt. Say X plus NH3 is neutral ligand, so oxidation number is 0 0 on the complex 4 plus charge. So X is equal to plus 4 plus Y. What is Y? Y is the number of electrons given by ligands. 6 ligands will give 12 electrons. So what is the answer? 78 minus 4. 60. 74 plus 12. So it will be 4 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 1, 8, 86. EAN is 86. 6. Now which element's atomic number is 86? You know that noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Hema, Neha or Karishma, Jennifer, Raina. This is the trick we have studied. Okay. Now atomic number of helium is 2, right? Simply you have to consider number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay. Now 2 plus 2, it will be 4. For this, it will be 4. 4 plus 8, it will be 12. No. थोड़ा पास कर सेव करते हैं पेट्रोल वेटेड कितनी तरह का सामान टेबल होगी. Okay, consider the complex FeCN6 3-. Okay, Z. What is Z atomic number? Atomic number of Fe is 26. X is the oxidation number. What is oxidation number here? FeCN6 3-. So x plus minus 6 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 plus 6. So x is equal to plus 3. Right? So x is equal to plus 3. Plus what is y? Y is nothing but the number of electrons given by ligand. Each Cn gives 2 electrons, so 6 Cn will give 12 electrons. Okay, so 26 minus 3, 23 plus 12, it will be 35. So EAN for this complex is equal to 35. It means that it is unstable complex. When the complex will be stable, if the EAN will be equal to the atomic number of nearest noble gas. Now Fe belongs to period number 4. In the period number 4, noble gas element is having atomic number 36. So if EAN will be equal to 36, then and then only it will be stable complex. But if EN is 35, means it is unstable complex. Next example, CuNH3,4,2+. Consider example CuNH3,4,2+. Example number 7. Okay. What is Z atomic number of Cu? 29. X is the oxidation number. Oxidation number is CuNH3,4 on the complex 2+. So x plus 0 is equal to plus 2, means x is equal to plus 2. Right? So x is equal to 2. What is y? Y is the number of electrons given by ligand. Each NH3 gives 2 electrons, so 4 NH3 will give 8 electrons. 29 minus 2, it will be 27 plus 8, 35. So again EAN is equal to 35, means this complex is not stable complex, it is unstable complex. Now one more example, last example, example number 8. Consider the complex PTNH3,4,2+. PTNH3,4,2+. Okay. Z atomic number of PT 6 is equal to plus 2. So oxidation number is plus 2, right? So it is 2. Why? Number of electrons given by ligand. 4 ligands will give 8 electrons. 78 minus 2, 76 plus 8, it will come 84. So EAM is equal to 84. If EAN will come 86, we can consider it as stable complex. But here EAN is 84, means it is unstable complex. It is not stable complex.